delicious. That's a good eating. But don't let me hog them all up. Oh, no. Here, you have some. Tasty, isn't it? Bon appetit.
Now?
Now.
Hey!
Just pretend that I'm not here.
Man, I wanted to hit him at full speed.
That's okay, Frank. We'll have some fun with them.
Don't let them impale me, please. I want to live.
Get off me!
Come on, you're making a scene.
We'll just take our furry pinata and go, if you don't mind.
Hey, buddy, it's not them today. It's just someone else tomorrow.
Well, I'd rather it not be today, okay?
Look, we're gonna break your neck so you don't feel a thing. How's that?
Wait a minute. I thought rhinos were vegetarians.
An excellent point.
Shut up!
Who says we're gonna eat them after we kill them?
Yeah, come on, move it.
You know, I don't like animals that kill for pleasure.
Save it for a mammal that cares.
I'm a mammal that cares.
Okay, look, if either of you make it across that sinkhole in front of you, you get the sloth.
That's right, you losers. You take one step and you're dead. You were bluffing, huh?
Yeah, that was a bluff.
Get 'em!